Hello and welcome to R Tips, the hub where we learn tips about R programming every day. Today we are going to look at simple statistics in R. It's very important if you are doing some calculations that are based on statistics that you understand the different basic functions that are available in R. So for example, we want to first let's just create or we can use an available data set in R. We can use the empty cars. So now we can see that it's available. If we look at the data set, we see that it has 11 variables and 32 rows. There are different variables within this data set. So the first thing we're going to look at is what we call the mean, or sometimes referred as average, and this is a measure of central tendency. So let's say we want to find the mean of the seal, or the number of cylinders in the data set. So we'll say empty cars, index using the dollar sign, select that. When we run this, we see that the mean is 6.1875. Sometimes we want to find the maximum. We use the max function, empty cars, seal. Run this, we see the maximum is 8. Sometimes we want to find the minimum. Empty cars, seal. We run this, we see the minimum is 4. And sometimes we want to find mode, which is the most frequently occurring value in this variable. So the mode is going to be empty cars, seal. And we run this, we see that the mode says numeric. Sorry about that. Mode, find mode in R. Just a minute. Mode. So mode is the most. Let's just see all the values. All the, that we see that empty cars. So one way would be to use the table function, empty cars, and seal. Run this, we see that 4 appears 11 times, 6 appears 7 times, 8 appears 14. So the most common value is 8 because it appears 14 times in the variable or in the data set. Sometimes we also want to calculate the measures of dispersion, which is basically the variance of empty cars, seal. We get the variance is 3.18, or the standard deviation is used, you just write SD, so empty cars, seal, and that's how we get the standard deviation. So these are the most common simple statistics that you can use in R just to understand your data set. And R has gone ahead to provide a function. Provide a function that you can use to get all this at once, which is called the summary function. So summary of empty cars. So if we run this, we see that it told us the minimum is 4, first quartile is 4, median is 6, mean is 6.18, third quartile is 8, and then the maximum is 8. We don't have the variance and the standard deviation, but these are things that you can also calculate on the side. The median is also available as a function in R. You can say median empty curves. You'll run this and the median is 6. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, subscribe, leave a like, comment, and watch my other videos. Bye bye and happy coding.